discover the best knife sharpeners designed to restore blades with precision and ease. Built for durability, these tools offer consistent sharp edges for effortless slicing. Compact, easy to use, and ideal for kitchens or outdoors, they keep every knife razor sharp and ready. In this video, we recommend the 7 best knife sharpeners. Based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. KitchenIQ 50009 Edge Grip 2-Stage Knife Sharpener. The KitchenIQ 50009 Edge Grip 2-Stage Knife Sharpener is a compact and efficient tool for maintaining both straight and serrated knives. It features a coarse carbide blade for restoring dull or damaged edges and a fine ceramic rod for polishing and quick touch-ups. The patented edge grip design allows safe sharpening on the edge of your counter, protecting both your blades and surfaces from damage. Its non-slip base offers stability, while the soft grip rubber handle provides comfort and control during use. Preset sharpening angles make it incredibly easy to use, delivering consistent results every time without any guesswork. Perfect for kitchens with limited space, this sharpener fits neatly in drawers for quick storage. Whether you're slicing vegetables or carving meat, it keeps your knives razor sharp and ready for action. A practical addition to any home, it also makes a thoughtful gift for anyone tired of struggling with dull blades. Number 6. SHARPAL 191H Pocket Knife and Scissors Sharpener. The SHARPAL 191H Pocket Knife and Scissors Sharpener is a powerful, compact tool that delivers professional results right from your kitchen. Its 3-stage system includes tungsten carbide blades for quick edge setting, ceramic blades for precision honing, and a special slot for sharpening scissors, making it perfect for a wide range of sharpening needs. An enhanced suction base provides twice the holding power of similar sharpeners, ensuring safety and stability during use. Just place it on a smooth surface and press the black switch. No need to hold it by hand, making it safe for everyone. The space-saving design fits easily into drawers or kitchen cabinets, keeping your counter clutter-free. Whether you're restoring dull blades or touching up edges, this sharpener delivers consistent, reliable performance every time. Ideal for both straight and serrated knives, it's a smart, versatile solution for any home cook or outdoor enthusiast. Number 5. KITCHELLENCE Knife Sharpener. The KITCHELLENCE 4-in-1 Kitchen Knife Sharpener is a complete solution for maintaining your kitchen knives safely and effectively. Its advanced 3-stage system starts with a diamond sharpening rod to repair and straighten damaged blades, followed by a sharpening slot to restore the original V-shape, and finishes with a ceramic slot for fine polishing. Whether you're right or left-handed, the ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, and the non-slip base keeps the sharpener stable during use. Just a few gentle pulls through each slot and your knife is ready for precision slicing. For added safety, it includes a cut-resistant glove, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned cooks. Crafted from durable ABS plastic and built to last, this sharpener delivers professional results at home. Your dull blades are transformed quickly and easily into razor-sharp tools ready to tackle any recipe. Make everyday cooking smoother, safer, and more efficient with this all-in-one knife care kit. Number 4. Longzon 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener. Transform your dull blades into kitchen powerhouses with the Longzon 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener, a tool built for serious sharpening with effortless control. Equipped with 4 specialized stages, it tackles everything from delicate fruit knives to rugged scissors and hard steel blades, making it your all-in-one edge solution. Its modern, space-saving design blends seamlessly into any kitchen, adding style while saving space on your countertop. Operation is smooth and simple. Just glide your knife through each slot for a sharp, polished edge in seconds. For added peace of mind, it features a non-slip base and comes with a cut-resistant glove, giving you secure handling every time you sharpen. Whether you're meal prepping or fine-tuning your chef's blade, this sharpener delivers fast, professional-grade results at home. Reliable, stylish, and built to perform, it keeps your knives ready for anything your kitchen throws at them. Number 3. AccuSharp Knife Sharpener. Restore your kitchen knives with the AccuSharp Knife Sharpener, compact, powerful, and built to perform. It sharpens chef's knives, serrated blades, paring knives, cleavers, and more in just 10 seconds, making it a time-saving essential for any kitchen. Crafted with diamond-honed tungsten carbide, one of the hardest materials known, it delivers a consistently sharp edge and features reversible blades for extended use. The ergonomic handle fits perfectly in either hand and includes a full-length finger guard for added safety during sharpening. Built to last, most users report years of dependable use between blade replacements. Maintenance is easy too, simply clean with soap and water or toss it in the dishwasher. With speed, safety, and long-term durability, AccuSharp makes keeping your blades razor sharp easier than ever. Number 2. WorkSharp Precision Adjust Elite Knife Sharpener. The WorkSharp Precision Adjust Elite Knife Sharpener offers unmatched versatility with 7 abrasive grits, including diamond, fine ceramic, and leather strop options. Easily adjust the sharpening angle from 15 to 30 degrees to customize the edge for hunting, serrated, or kitchen knives. Switch between grits quickly using the tri-abrasive sharpening stones, allowing for fast and efficient sharpening without interrupting your workflow. This precision tool lets you reprofile old blades or create a polished, razor-sharp finish on your favorite knives. Designed, engineered, and calibrated in Oregon, it combines high-quality craftsmanship with advanced sharpening technology for reliable performance. For those seeking professional-grade sharpness at home, this sharpener delivers precision and ease in one compact system. Number 1. Chef's Choice 1515 EdgeSelect Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. The Chef's Choice 1515 EdgeSelect Sharpener transforms household knives from the standard 20-degree factory edge to a high-performance 15-degree Treaser 15 edge. Equipped with 100% diamond abrasives and an advanced stropping stage, it sharpens both straight and serrated blades efficiently while operating quietly. Its patented flexible spring guides automatically adjust to maintain precise sharpening angles, ensuring consistent results with every use. This 3-stage system sharpens, hones, and polishes your knives, extending their sharpness and lifespan. With just about 1 minute for initial sharpening and only 10 seconds for touch-ups, it delivers razor-sharp edges fast and effortlessly. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.